What is up, you guys? Back with another video. And I read this article from Forbes titled 5 Ways to Make Money from Home Using AI in 2024. So I want to talk about it. And here are the 5 ways to make money using AI according to Forbes. And I also included some pros and cons so you can see it through the slides. But the first one is AI video scripts. And it's basically just saying you're using ChatGPT to generate scripts for YouTube videos, basically creating faceless channels. You find the niche that you want to make, create the video, use AI, and post it. And so here are some pros and cons. You can pause the video, but I'm going to move on. Number 2 is a print on demand with AI, and you're using AI to generate unique quotes, slogans, or designs, and you just sell them on t-shirts, mugs, or notebooks. Honestly, everyone does this. It's kind of basic. But below are the pros, easy to start, of course, and the cons, like I just said, highly competitive. Number 3, AI generate artwork. So this one it says to employ AI tools like Midjourney to create digital artwork, which can then be sold on platforms like Etsy. This one was kind of interesting to me because I know some people do it. I saw a Reddit post of someone actually having some success, but not a lot. So that's all I really have to say in my opinion on this one. But below are some pros and cons to it. And of course, like I said, the cons, kind of what I was saying above, is just art originality and quality is what you kind of have to deal with. But let's go to number 4. The next one is AI powered copywriting. And so this one is you help generate content ideas, outlines, and draft copies for people or businesses that need help with that. And you're using AI to speed along the process. And of course, the pros, increase productivity for it, and cons is you might have to be doing a lot of editing yourself than just using AI to kind of make it. As I said right here, so it doesn't sound robotic or contain errors. Number 5, the last one is AI-powered newsletter. You're basically picking a niche that you want, and then after you picked it, you're then using AI to find content to produce, rather if it's how to make money online, how to start a business, you're using AI to help you generate these ideas and put it into a long-form content post. Saves time and content creation for the pros, and the cons is you need a subscriber base. So without that, in the beginning, it's a long process in the beginning, of course, unless you're good at the marketing side and able to get some subscribers. But these are the 5. The only one that seems kind of viable is AI video scripts, but then again, I know YouTube's gonna start cracking down on it soon, if I'm not mistaken. But let me know in the comments what you guys think about these 5 ways to make